will understand when you taste it.
Kan mau ben?
Remember,
Ngingi ong ngadai Kristan.
we say, I am a Christian.
Kan nungot badai Kristan hang subah rakti.
How many of you, please raise your hand if you say, I'm a
Kan nungot badai
Christian?
Kristan rakti.
How many of you?
Baru lahir rakti. Handai fitep banong Kristan kesuk pelat.
But you know, to say a Christian is very easy.
Ngadai Kristan kesuk pelat.
It's too easy to say, I'm a
Handai banong
Christian.
ngadai melu tak kame.
But to say, I am a salt, that's tough.
Namar balai
Why?
melu trikam habari.
Salt is used and worked in secret.
Kibriu habari ki khot ya fi dei bangai.
Because in secret, they will say, you're a believer.
Nenong ni ti fitep pastor ti habari em nang bam khoi ni.
Or would they say, oh, you know, Pastor, in hidingly, they are still into tobacco.
Kidon masiwan. Pastor phim tip tu lok jongau long kum no.
And some would say, oh, Pastor, you don't know how my husband is.
Ngonga kum no bat ngi tu biang bisi ong ba yoro you try wait. Oh shakri kumen me.
And we say, how is it that he is different? Because with us, he's always good, saying, praise the Lord.
Phim tip ayeng utin si tin sang ro.
But then she'll say, you don't know, at home he's using all the bad languages.
What ting anong if gibala shakri you try ro what iki bangai ro. Ting hakabari don pastor ti kikan bahalot adam dan mari mapawan ne.
And you know, sometimes even those who are servant of God, those who are serving, they will also have a different personality in the secret to say, to let you know if I am a salt or not.
Ngadai pastor.
Say, if I am a pastor,
Ngangai pia muncul ngadai pastor.
I'm sure you would agree that I'm a
Ngadai
pastor.
pastor?
Am I a pastor?
Ha? Hari kata jing long pastor jong ha.
But to show up that
Pita
I'm a
ngadai kendo ya
pastor,
pisia barok ngawat ada ngalathat bakat bangat yam. Ngada kendo pisia ngahapen ibi ki beniat jong ngaraki kendo hilong.
so you know, as a pastor, no matter how tired and worn out I am, but when I meet, you have to smile and say, praise the Lord.
Hari kumno pat ngar bangai kendo ya iros haye.
But how do I meet a Rose at home?
Iros ila ban batai bahaya ngadai melu ne.